every day I imagine a future where I can be with you, Jimmy's mom. In my hand is a pen that'll write a poem of me and Jimmy's mom. The ink flows down into a dark bottle. Just move your hand right the way into his heart. But in this world of infinite choices, what will it take just to find that special day? What will it take just to find that special day? Jimmy's mom. Have I found everybody a fun assignment to do today? When you're here, everything that we do is fun for them anyway. Jimmy's mom. When I can't even read my own feelings, what good are words when a smile says it all?